Yo guys, so I'm gonna do a quick analysis on BTC, and then the platform I'm using is the BitGet Exchange. So I'll be analyzing BTC USDT perpetuals. Okay, that's BTC USDT futures. So I'll be doing a quick analysis on that, and then the time frame I'm using is the 4-hour time frame. So quickly, we'll have to identify our resistance and support. So firstly, we have our resistance here. We can clearly see our resistance around here. And then our supports, which is below that. We have our support around here. Somewhere around here, okay? So we have our support. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just trying to make sure that it touches the lower end of this week, this very candle. This candle that dropped to 50,518. I'm trying to make sure it touches that very week. And you can see where this is coming from the end of this very from here. Okay, so we have our resistance and then we have our support. So the next thing I need to do is to quickly draw the inner trend line, which is this. I can see it here. So we have the inner trend line, which is here. Let me change the color. Okay, let me change it to black so that it will be quite visible. Okay, so we have the resistance here. Let me extend it. We have the resistance here, and then we have our support. Then we have our inner trend line. And looking at this, there's something else that is visible to me, and that's an arbitrary support level which runs from here to here. Okay, that's also an arbitrary support level. Not really a support, but nothing needs to be neglected whenever you're doing your analysis. So everything has to be observed. So I just change the color to yellow so it doesn't confuse us with this trend line. We did descending trend line that we have here, the lower sloping trend line that we have here. So here we have the resistance and then we have the support. So why I pointed this out is because you can see here, it went up, respected this very support, went up. So we're going to see what will happen here. Of course, it has already touched it, but we don't really know whether it's going to close above it or it's going to close below it. So that's why it's necessary that we definitely point it out to see what happens. So that's basically what I'm looking at. So we have two scenarios here. Two things are able to play out here. We could see a situation whereby we could see a situation whereby this continues, maybe hits this resistance, could drop, could come back again before going up to hit this major resistance. Or on the flip side, we could also have a situation whereby this continues, eventually closing below this support here, comes to hit this major support line here, goes up again, and then drops lower. So these are just the two scenarios that we are watching. So as it stands now, I'm just currently looking at the market to see what it does. So these are just the two zones I'm observing. I'm observing this very support line here. I'm also observing this lower trend line here, which is also serving as a resistance. Why doing nothing? All right, so guys, this is just what I wanted to point out to you guys, and I hope you have a safe trading afternoon. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.